When you purchase the interactive notebook that is 1 unit, this is the document that you will get. And in it there are tabs that are already at the top that are linked to the specific pages that are already built in. On the top arrow, or plus sign, there's a drop down arrow that has pages that you can add that is just the basic template. You will notice that within it, pages are already created. You can utilize those as a reference on examples, what you could do for elements of your unit. To create something like this, my suggestion is to go up to View and then Master, and that's going to create or open up the page where you can create anything that you would like your students to have. And so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the page, and then I can go in and insert videos, images, shapes, whatever I would like for my students to create. Anything that I create in this master slide, they cannot manipulate. So they cannot change it, they cannot move it, they cannot edit it. So then when I go over to my sidebar here of these slides, there's certain elements where students cannot move and certain ones where they can. And so it depends on if you want students to be able to type in things, if you want them to move things. For example, this might be a text box where you want them to answer, what is the definition of agriculture? I can do that by just clicking up at the text box, and they can enter in a text box anywhere that they would like. If I insert a text box in that master view, students cannot edit it. So it depends on what you would like your students to be able to do and have control over. So if you want to add a page into it, I would just click the plus sign or right click for a layout that you have designed, and then it's going to bring up just a blank page because we didn't design anything in the master view. Where it has click to add title, that is where students can type in whatever lesson or task that you're asking them to do. However, you will notice that the tabs at the top do not work because it is a brand new page. All you have to do is go to a page that has already been created, and you will notice that the tabs work. So I will drag a box over all of those tabs, and you will notice that it highlights them in blue. I'll click Command C, take it down to the page that we just created, Command V, and it will go over those tabs, and then all of those tabs will work as already used. So that is just one way in which you can edit the interactive notebook to fit your course.